We are at the Boardwalk Trail, and we are going to walk down the Boardwalk Trail and look at the magnificent beauty of Mother Nature.
All right. Sounds like fun to me.
Come on.
What kind of tree is that, Jace?
A red maple. The leaves are red maple, but right now the leaves are all gone.
They
It's
are.
a red maple.
It's in March, so they haven't come out yet.
It got torn up, but it is a American holly.
American holly.
Right there.
It has little berries in the wintertime. It's a nice little nature walk.
I believe this is another one, American holly.
It is.
Is that what that said?
That's another American holly. What is it?
A two-pid pollard.
Tulip.
Oh, and also, come over here.
Tulip poplar.
And next is the sassafras. As you can see, it's the color rhododendron.
It's a Carolina rhododendron.
Carolina rhododendron.
Those bloom like azaleas do. They are beautiful when they bloom. I don't know if it'll bloom this year or not because we just had a real cold snap and a lot of the azaleas died. So we'll see. A little picnic table. That'd be a good place to have a picnic. This is a great place to come if you love nature.
I'm fine. Well, how about us?
No, don't.
And look at the pretty gazebo.
Oh, I like this place.
Oh, I hear water.
Oh, yeah. This looks like we may be nearing the end.
I think I see a glimpse of a creek over there, guys.
Close to end and then we'll be walking out.
Yeah, we'll go check the creek out, y'all.
So, we're going to the creek and there's a witch hazel right here.
A witch hazel. It's hard to tell the trees because they're all bare right now, but look at this little waterfall. Look at that, Jace. Look at that. This is so pretty. So pretty. It is beautiful. Gorgeous.
Kind of deep.
Look at the rocks with all the moss on them. Aren't they beautiful? That's really pretty. This is really pretty here on this hike today. Guess they ran off and left me. And we'll have to catch up. There goes old Mojo up the hill. Thank you, Mojo. Okay, y'all, I walked up a big old hill to get to this point. And look at these rocks with this moss. We got some little caves over here. I don't think y'all can see in them. Look at that bank of rocks. Isn't that fascinating? That rock.
It's a big tree.
Look at the water. It's got water trickling down it.
Dripping. Looks like somebody just hand laid that.
It does. Looks like they was hand laid. And look at the grass hanging over at the top. This is really pretty. And look under here, we got a little ledge the rock's made. Oh, and look at the cave area.
How many people have gotten in there and hid
Might
from the
have
storms and the weather?
been a place they built a fire.
Yeah, it looks like it's been smoked.
It
smoked
does.
Through there.
Through
That
there.
is smoke. That's not mold.
Yeah.
I bet if you could dig down there, you might find some vessels.
Some more rocks that they maybe made a campsite under. You can see the smoke on the rocks. This is very interesting on this little hike today. Check out the falls, guys. Isn't that beautiful?
All right, guys, you ought to see that. That's very interesting phenomenon there. That's not something you see in nature very often. I would say that's made by hand. Look how flat that side is. And this, they're like a keyway. We call that a keyway. Very interesting. That's nature at its best, guys. Glenda, let's go magnet fishing down there.
Well, we'll have to go back and get the magnet.
I wonder what's down there, guys.
Looks like a good place.
Okay, we might just do that. We're gonna have to go magnet fishing down here, maybe. Maybe not. We'll never know. A lot of interesting places.
Check this out, a little bridge, and look at the water going over the fall. Walking down the trail to get to the bridge. Goes off of a cliff here. Oh yes. There it goes. Beautiful, and down on the rock. This is Indian Falls, y'all.
Y'all?
Let me get up here on this bridge. It's got a little rail here, thankfully. The little creek just flows. Isn't that pretty?
Just about 40 feet tall. Really pretty. Look at the water down through the
It
trees.
is, through the trees. You can barely see
It's
it.
like a bigger river down that way.
It's another picture of Indian Falls here at DeSoto State Park near Fort Payne. It's a beautiful park, y'all. You'll have to come check it out.
It's about 50 miles south of Chattanooga. When I go to a bluff, I'm always looking up. See, there's been fires under here. I don't know if those were campfires or when there was a wood fire come up in here, but it certainly looked like there's plenty of fires have been burned in here. I'm saying this is a campfire area. A good time. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. That's Mother Nature at its best. Take in the sounds, guys, and the sights. Look at the tree. Just getting watered. No telling how old that tree is. I like how it reached up around that rock and kept growing. Just a side of nature.
Thank you for watching our sweet home life on our adventures. You never know where Mojo and Glenda may go.
It's such a pretty area, guys. If you get a chance, come up here, DeSoto Falls in northern part of Alabama, right near
Fort Payne, Alabama. Bye. We'll see you next time.